Hello Google team. We have added some new scopes in our Formatic app. Previously we have approved few scopes, but now in this version we have added one more scope about the Google Tasks. So we want to approve that scope from Google. So we are submitting the request to scope approval. So I will give you a walkthrough of our application, like how we are using the Google Task scope in our application. First of all, we will log in on our application with URL app.myformatic, but we have a landing page as well, myformatic.com. So here, if user click on the login the app, they will redirect on the app.myformatic page, and from here they can sign in by entering their credentials like traditional sign in, and also can sign in with Google. So I will sign in with Google first. So on click, I will land on my Formatic dashboard, from where I can create multiple boards there. But previously we were authenticating our application with Google Forms and Google Sheets, and the Google Forms and Sheets scopes are already verified, and it was working fine. But now we have added Google Task scope. So how we will create a Google Task board? First of all, I will click on this plus icon, and after clicking this, I can create form board, sheet board, and task board. Forms and sheet boards already their scopes are approved. So now we have added the task board. So user will click on the add Google Task, and it will ask you to authenticate our Formatic app with Google account. So on click sign in with Google, it will detect you on constant screen. So here it is saying that Google has not verified this app, while our app is verified for 6 scopes, and now we have added one another scope which is not verified. So we want to verify that one. So these are the scopes that we need to verify, like drive and sheets and responses. These all are verified. So now we need to verify this one, and our project ID is this one. Like you can see 94693913832 This is our project client ID. So by assigning the permissions, and these are the two as well. So this one we need to verify and approve Google Tasks, because in our Formatic app we are fetching the Google Tasks in our Formatic and saving the data, and also we are performing some action and syncing with Google Tasks. Like it is two-way communication. We can create, delete, and assign the due date in our Formatic. So by continuing, we have approved our authenticate our app with Google account. Now I will give the board name. So we'll mark it proceed. So after proceeding, now I can assign the title of each card, like each task is appearing as a title in our Formatic application. Now you can see that we have fetched the app from the Google Task side. Like these all are tasks that are created on the Google Task side, and we have fetched. Now we can create a new task here. So on clicking add new, this task is created here, and it's also synced with our Google Task calendar. So we can create a subtask as well. So you can see this subtask is also created in our application. So we can assign a due date, we are assigning a due date. We can assign a label, we can assign a file, like if we want to attach any file we can attach, and also we can create the subtask of that, because already one subtask is created, and we can create more subtasks. We can move it from one list to another list. We can copy the one task to another task. We can copy the text of that task. We can download in PDF and mark it as complete as well, and we can also delete this card. So these functionalities we are performing in the Google Tasks add-on, while Google Forms and Sheets are already approved. So that's why I am not giving the review of Forms and Sheet case, while we need to approve the Google Task scope. So that's it. These are the functionalities of Google Tasks. We can create as well a new list here. Like if we create a new list, it will be automatically created on the Google Task site as well. Let me show you the Google Task, like how we are showing there, because it's a two-way communication. So I just created this one new list in Formatic, so it will be synced in Google Task site automatically. So you can see that here a new list with name, a new list is created. So let me create a new entry here. So if I create a new entry in the Google new list, I have created a new entry, so it should be synced in Formatic as well. So it will be appear automatically in the Formatic new list. You can see it's created and it's syncing. Now if I assign a due date, like 9th of December, so it's to do created successfully, and due date is assigned to this card, and also this is assigned in Google Tasks as well, because this is a two-way communication. So that's it about the Google Tasks. So we need approval of Google Tasks on Formatic, so that we can use them easily, and we can hide the unapproval screen on our Formatic. Thank you.